President of the organization Dentist Dental Care. We are in an important growth phase. In this regard, we had launched our third clinic in Chennai in 11th pandemic. And now I would like to introduce Dr. Shekhar, the Managing Director of the Dentist Dental Care, and Dr. Rajesh, the Executive Director of the Dentist Dental Care. I would request Dr. Rajesh to take you through the presentation on the dentist history, its current and future plans. Thank you.
Welcome to Dentist Dental Care. I'll walk you through who we are in 6 or 7 quick slides. That's Dentist. Next slide. The Dentist promise is to provide preventive and curative dental health services. The reason we say preventive and curative is to be proactively healthcare aware and proactively offer better oral care. Yeah, next. About Dentist, we started off in 2009 with 12 clinics across 5 cities, and we're opening soon in Mumbai and Bangalore this year itself. We have over 100,000 satisfied patients while screening and treating across all these locations since 2009. Our goal is to be 50 clinics by 2015. What makes Dentist different from a lot of other clinics? One of the first things is every clinic has its own full panel of specialist teams. And the infrastructure in these clinics, each clinic costs nothing less than 1.5 CR with all the latest of digital equipments, lasers and all other and the other differentiator is standardized treatment protocols. So if you go to any dentist across any location, a root canal is done the same way, using the same materials, standardized, biocompatible, FDA approved.
Tell you in my words on why we are in this business. We started in 2009 with the first center in a tier 2 city in Andhra Pradesh, and then we are now grown to 11 centers in 5 cities across Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. We also recently had a private equity investment partner called Helion Ventures, which is a foreign direct investment that has come into the company. And the investment money that we have raised through these investment partners, we are actually planning to use it for propelling the growth of the organization. By getting into this business, what we try to answer is, when you see dentistry as a specialty, it has started off with something like, once upon a time, dentistry is all about pulling the teeth, putting dentures, putting some filling. But today, dentistry is all about conserving the tooth. So no one wants to lose the tooth. Everyone wants to retain the tooth. So in this process of retaining the tooth, it is about tooth, the gums, and the bone around the tooth. So there is so much of a progression in technology and specialty which is enabling us to be able to deliver this kind of healthy treatments to the patient. So most of the clinics around are run by one single dentist or 2 dentists, wherein they have limited knowledge pool, which means the specialists are on-call specialists and they are not able to offer high-grade treatments to the patients. From dentists, what we do is, each clinic has got about 7 chairs, 7 dental operatories within the clinic, and has got all the specialists who are full-time in the clinic. So because of this, there is so much of a knowledge at the clinic, and this actually is clubbed with all the infrastructure. Infrastructure-wise, we have lasers, we have all digital X-ray machines, where we can, one shot X-ray can take all 32 teeth and the surrounding bone, and we have very high-grade sterilization. We have tooth whitening equipment. So we have various infrastructural equipment put in place by which we can actually do great treatments to the patients Something like, we are very specialized in doing, if the patient loses a tooth, right? Patient has to get dentures, removable dentures where he's got a lot of discomfort. Today, we can deliver solutions where a patient comes to us within 24 hours, he can go back home with all the teeth fixed in his mouth. So that kind of solutions is what dentists can deliver, and we are in this business basically to answer the delivery gaps that are there in the market and thereby create a lot of standardization. So with this philosophy around dentistry, we are today geared up to grow up to 150 centers across the country. And Chennai, we are planning to introduce, we are already having the third center, which is Velachery, which is launching today, and so is why we are here. And apart from that, we are planning to introduce 5 more centers, which is going to make us 7 centers by the end of this financial year. So we are planning to have a considerable amount of market share in Chennai and to be one of the dominant player in dentistry in Chennai. Apart from this, we are also in the process of launching our clinics in Bangalore, Mumbai, and towards north as well. So currently we have near to about 100 doctors working with dentists and many other non-clinical employees. In the next 5 years' time, we'll be housing somewhere around 800 dentists to be associated with dentists. So